Developing proper customer service and communication skills can enhance customer interactions as you display professionalism when engaging with customers. This helps to leave a positive impression as professional relationships are created. By the end of this presentation, you should be able to list a Although it's never fun to deal with angry customers, it's important you understand how to diffuse a situation. So make sure you do the following. Always remain calm and professional and make So now, after going through those steps, let's take a look at another video. So I'm sure you'll agree that this was a much better response. And the representative followed many of the steps discussed. She remained calm and listened, was knowledgeable, she was friendly, and also understanding. There are also times you'll have to verify employment for an NCP.